Tired of manually copying and pasting contact details from your Google Sheet into Wati to send personalized messages? There's a better way. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly connect your Google Sheet to Wati and automate your marketing outreach. First, open the Google Sheet containing the contact information you want to use in Wati. Make sure your sheet includes columns for essential information, such as name, phone number, and the personalized message you want to send. Next, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Integrations section. Look for the Google Sheets integration option. It may be under other platforms or triggers. Connect your Google account to Wati by authorizing Wati to access your Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Now, map the columns in your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Wati, such as mapping the phone number column in your sheet to the phone number field in Wati. Set up a trigger that will initiate the message sending process. This could be when a new row is added to your Google Sheet or based on a specific date and time. Preview a sample message to ensure the information from your Google Sheet is being correctly populated into the message. Finally, test the integration to make sure everything is working correctly, and then activate the integration to start automating your personalized messages. That's it. You've now successfully integrated Google Sheets with Wati, allowing you to automate your marketing outreach and save valuable time. This integration can revolutionize your engagement strategy.